Hey everyone, and welcome back. Today we're taking your Visp security to the next level. Visp has just rolled out a fantastic upgrade. Multi-Factor Authentication, MFA. This is all about giving you even more excellent protection and peace of mind, and we're going to show you exactly how to get it set up. Let's dive in. Now, why is MFA such a big deal? Well, it's like adding an extra deadbolt to your digital front door. Here's why you'll love it. Increased account security. It prevents unauthorized access, even if someone somehow gets hold of your password. Real-time login alerts. You can get email notifications whenever someone signs into your account. Flexible login options. You can even use your Google or other email credentials for added convenience. Team-wide protection. MFA can be enabled for everyone in your application, strengthening your entire team's security. Compliance support. It helps you align with modern data protection standards. Sounds great, right? So how do you get started? It's a simple two-step process with an optional third step for team-wide security. Step 1. Contact Visp Support to enable the feature flag. Before you can enable MFA in your profile, you'll need to reach out to your awesome Visp client success team to have the MFA feature flag turned on for your account. You can get in touch with them in a few ways. Shoot them an email at success@Visp.net or give them a call at 541-955-6900 or message them directly through the RingCentral support channel if you use it. Just let them know you'd like to enable multi-factor authentication for your account and they'll take care of it for you. Step 2. Enable MFA for your profile. Once the Visp team has enabled the feature for your account, here's how you turn it on for your profile. Click the 9-dot menu. Look for this icon in the top right corner of your Visp interface. This will open the admin page. Navigate to the My Visp section and then select My Profile. You'll find a toggle switch labeled Enable Multi-Factor Authentication. Simply click it to turn it on. While you're here, you can also choose to enable email notifications that will alert you whenever someone signs into your account. Just toggle the Enable Email Login Notification switch. Make sure to click the Save button to apply your new settings. Step 3. Enable for all users. If you're an administrator and want to secure your entire team with MFA, here's how you can do that. Navigate to the My Visp section and then select Security. You'll find a toggle switch to enable MFA for all users in your Visp application. Click it to turn it on. You can also enable email login notifications for all users from this page. Don't forget to click Save to apply these team-wide security settings. And that's it. You've now taken a significant step in boosting your Visp account security with multi-factor authentication. Remember, it's that extra layer of protection that can make all the difference. We strongly encourage you to enable MFA for your account, and if you're an admin, consider enabling it for your entire team. It's a simple process that significantly enhances your security posture and gives everyone greater peace of mind. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more Visp tutorials and security tips. If you have any questions about enabling MFA, don't hesitate to reach out to the Visp client success team using the contact information we showed earlier. They're always happy to help. Thanks for watching and stay secure.